London. A city where history and modernity mix, where centuries of tradition meet cutting-edge innovation. From the regal majesty of Buckingham Palace to the neon brilliance of Soho, every street corner has a story to tell. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, the English capital provides a limitless variety of experiences. From world-famous monuments to hidden jewels, here are the 14 finest things to do in London, each of which promises to make your trip unforgettable. 1. Explore the Tower of London. Enter a world of medieval intrigue at the Tower of London, one of the city's most famous historical attractions. The renowned beefeaters guard this fortress, which has functioned as a royal palace, prison, and even a zoo. Do not miss the Crown Jewels exhibition, which showcases some of the world's most stunning royal artifacts. 2. Take in the views from the Shard. Ascend the Shard, Western Europe's highest structure, for a spectacular view of London. The observation deck offers an exceptional 360-degree perspective of the city's skyline, which extends from the River Thames to the far countryside. 3. Stroll through Hyde Park. Take a leisurely walk in Hyde Park, London's largest green space, to get away from it all. Whether you're renting a rowboat on the Serpentine, touring the Rose Garden, or simply sipping coffee by the lake, this park is the ideal place to unwind. 4. Visit the British Museum. The British Museum houses antiquities from all around the world, making it a historical treasure trove. From the Rosetta Stone to the Elgin Marbles, this world-class museum offers a peek into the past unlike any other. 5. Experience the magic of the West End. London's West End is renowned with world-class theatre. See a captivating production of classics like Les Miserables, The Phantom of the Opera, or recent successes like Hamilton. The bright lights and energetic atmosphere create an amazing night out. 6. Wander around Camden Market. Camden Market is a must-see for anybody looking to experience the unique side of London. Vintage apparel and handcrafted crafts are available here, as well as international street cuisine. It's a refuge for both creatives and those who enjoy alternative culture. 7. Cross the Tower Bridge. Tower Bridge, one of London's most famous sights, is a Victorian engineering masterpiece. Walk across the high-level glass promenade for breathtaking views of the Thames and the metropolitan skyline. 8. Discover the secrets of Covent Garden. Covent Garden is a lively neighborhood with of-street performers, upscale boutiques, and quaint eateries. Visit the Apple Market for one-of-a-kind souvenirs, or take in a live opera performance at the Opera House. 9. Take a Thames River cruise. A trip along the River Thames allows you to see London from a different perspective. Whether you choose a sightseeing tour or a lavish dinner cruise, this experience provides a unique approach to discover the city's monuments, such as the London Eye, St. Paul's Cathedral, and the Houses of Parliament. 10. Get lost in the charm of Notting Hill. Notting Hill, made famous by the film of the same name, is a lovely neighborhood famed for its colorful mansions, quirky bookshops, and the well-known Portobello Road Market. On Saturdays, you can peruse antiques, couture, and unique items. 11. Marvel at St. Paul's Cathedral. Climb the dome of St. Paul's Cathedral to see panoramic views of London. Inside, view the magnificent mosaics, whisper in the Whispering Gallery, and learn about the history of this landmark house of prayer. 12. Indulge in afternoon tea at the Ritz. Indulge in a very British tradition, afternoon tea at the Ritz. With delicate finger sandwiches, warm scones with clotted cream, and a selection of superb teas, this is luxury at its best. 13. Step into the world of Harry Potter at Warner Bros. Studio Tour. For aficionados of the wizarding realm, the Warner Bros. Studio Tour provides a behind-the-scenes peek at the production of Harry Potter. Walk into the Great Hall, take the Hogwarts Express, and view renowned props and costumes up close. 14. Soak up the nightlife in Soho. When the sun sets, Soho comes to life. Whether you enjoy jazz bars, speakeasies, or rooftop cocktails, Soho has something for everyone. The area's vibrant atmosphere and diverse nightlife make it one of the greatest spots to see London after dark. London is more than simply a city, it's an experience, a mood, and an endless journey. There is something for everyone, whether you want to see ancient treasures, eat world-class food, or simply stroll along the Thames at twilight. Each visit unearths new secrets, stories, and memories ready to be made. So, which of these top 14 London experiences will you try first?